Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film this eye look right here. I decided to do this video because face makeup is nothing really new, or it's nothing really different. So I just was like, oh, just focus on the eyes today. So I just used this what's this called? Changeable Fantasy palette. It's the dupe for the James Charles palette with Morphe. Okay, so here we go. So I have toned down the brightness a little bit, and then so you guys can see it a little. If you like to see me do this eye look right here, using this palette, this dupe palette, then just keep on watching. Before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And let's get on with the video. Brought you guys in closer because today we're only going to focus on the eyes. So I already did my foundation, concealer, powder, and everything. That's all I focus on for right now. And then I'll do the rest after the eyes. I'm going to be taking the Changeable Fantasy palette. I know that this palette is a dupe for the James Charles palette. I wanted a palette that was colorful, and when he came out with his, it was colorful, but I was like, shit, yeah, so I decided to pick up this. Listen, I'm broke, okay? I'm cheap, broke, all that bug. I ain't paying no damn $39, $49, whatever. I don't even know how much it costs for a palette. If I can get a cheaper alternative, I'm going for the cheaper alternative. I'm going for the dupes. I don't care. If it can save me money, I'm going to that way. I'm choosing that path, going it that way. I don't care what nobody say. So whoever in companies, whatever that be making them dupes, whatever, keep it coming. I'm sorry for the people who be thinking them they be fakes and gyps and whatever y'all call it out there, but hey, there's people out here that be trying to save money and shit. We like to save money. We like to save money over here. We'll try to save money, but you get what I'm trying to say. But yeah. So if I can find a cheaper alternative and then be like, okay, yeah, it wasn't that much, but it still works as good, then I'm okay. Yeah. It's in my hands. I paid for it, so you ain't got to say to me. Okay. So I don't know where I'm going with this look. I don't know. I don't. So I'm gonna be taking this orange shade up here, right here. But this shade right here, it's a red shade. I'm gonna go back into that orange shade and blend both of those colors out together. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm also gonna take a little bit of this shade right here. This one right here. That first shade I showed you on a flat shader brush, and then I'm gonna spritz it with some primer. So now I'm going to take that second shade that I showed you. I went ahead and did this eye off camera, and then I also did other little things. I went ahead and used this BH Cosmetics Eyelights. I used the one Fresh. Used it right here. It's not neat, but it's my first time ever doing some shit like that, so it's kind of weird. My hands is over there shaking and stuff. I'm like, oh crap, it's gonna be messed up, but I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah. Then I also on my lids, this one right here, this one right here, and also this one right here. And then I did my lower lash line. I just used that orange shade that I use as my transition shade. I used that on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back to show you the final look. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoy me only doing my eyes. This is very different for me. I gotta get out of my comfort zone, I guess. I don't know, but I just gotta keep on practicing, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, comment down below what videos you guys would like to see. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.